So for a while I've been using this rubbish vacuum cleaner I bought off eBay, however the motor pretty much quickly burned out, so of course it turned into parts. What I want to make is a cyclonic dust separator where the dust is brought in, it's changed direction very quickly in a cyclonic environment where the dust drops down and then the clean air continues to the motor. I'm going to build the new dust separator to fit on the dust bucket of the old eBay vacuum cleaner so we can make everything around that to fit. I'm going to use off-the-shelf 100mm PVC plumbing pipe as my ducting, so I'll make everything to fit that. The air needs to flow inside a cone shape. So what I'm going to do to make that cone is I'm going to stretch polyester material inside my wooden frame, and then I will harden that polyester material by adding polyester resin that's used to harden fiberglass. So those two materials are compatible with each other. I first learned this really cheap and easy way to make curved hard surfaces back when we used to do this to make subwoofer boxes for cars. So now everything's hard, there's still a lot of little pinholes and holes where the staples were, so I'm going to fill this up with a 1-part putty and fill in all those gaps and make a nice smooth surface for the air to flow nicely around in the cone shape. I need to add a pipe, and I found this unused toilet flange which would just be perfect. Once the side pipe is attached, I put a screw to hold it in place, and then I fill all the gaps with a normal 2-part auto body filler. Now I want to add a new pipe, and we actually want it to be further down than the height of the side pipe is attached. Because I want to use the old dust bucket from the broken vacuum, I attach it using some 2-part body filler to the bottom of my dust separator. Well kids, I'm always on the lookout for something interesting on the local giveaway, swap pages and something like that. This time I found an inflator blower for a jumping castle. Now it's originally designed so the air would come out of there and inflate the castle. What I'm going to do is actually swap that around, so I'm going to use this as a vacuum system for a dust extraction system. So let's get started on doing that. I'm going to add a flange to the blower motor so that I can attach standard 100mm PVC plumbing pipe to use as the ducting. Now I've got all the screws in place, I need to make sure that the screws don't interrupt the fins from the blower motor. Yep, it works fine. So I just lay a bead of construction adhesive around the flange as an air sealant. It's freezing today. It's like about 0 degrees. Expecting both snow and hail. So anyway, onto the thing. It's changed somewhat, as you may have seen. I have added in an additional air box that has a filter from a Toyota Corolla. No particular reason other than it was the cheapest filter that they sold in the auto parts store. So at the moment I've just hooked up this vacuum cleaner hose just because I desperately need to clean the floor. There it is. Now there's a name I have not heard in a long time. Obifloor. I need to clean up the workshop a little bit because I've got a lot of projects to do and a lot of work to do, and I had so much crap in the doorway that it was piling on over now. So, awesome. Just good approves. Alright, so I probably should explain that a bit more. Airflow should actually be flowing this way, so the dust and crud should be coming in this way, cycling around the system like so, and then going up this tube here, so it changes direction, all the dust and crap drops down through this funnel and falls down into the bottom bucket. So I've added this airbox in the top and this filter from Toyota Corolla, and as I said, the only reason I got that one is because it was the cheapest one that they sold in the car parts store. The top just goes on top, and I've added these case latch thingies to make it so that it can be closed properly. Not sure how well you can see it, but you can actually see the dust particles spinning around inside the chamber there. But for now it works, and I like things that work.